YouTube fam. Welcome to Cherries, Haws, and More Vibes. Happy 4th of July. I hope you are having a nice time today, a good time. Whatever you decide to do, I hope you have safe travels, a safe time. But I'm filming this on the 4th of July, but it probably go up afterwards. So I should be saying I hope you enjoyed your 4th of July holiday. But what I'm going to be doing today is an Amazon unboxing. I have this box here, and it's pretty heavy. So let's see what's in it. Right here. Okay, first we have some organic lemon ginger tea. It says digestion support. It's by, so it's looks like that. Yeah, I don't think I ever tried this particular tea before. I have tried this brand, I believe, traditional medicinal, but I never tried this particular tea. So I hope it tastes good. This actually is one of my favorite tea is ginger, lemon tea, period. So I got this, and it's 16 wrapped tea bags in here. I have these cashews. I have tried these before. The Planters cashews, the dill pickle ones. And yes, I like these a lot. Also, I like the salt and vinegar, probably equally as well. So these are good to me. All right, I believe this is what's making it so heavy. It's this. And I purchased this actually last month when I ordered from Amazon, which is Ocean Spray Ruby Red. 100% juice. No sugar added. This is really heavy. So I like this juice a lot. It's really good to me. And next I have these. I also purchased these. I think I have purchased these the last few months. This is the 15 bars Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut. And it's dark chocolate, peanut, and almond. I like these. They are very good to me. And also, I've been purchasing this quite frequently. This is the organic agave in the raw. I usually use it for tea and coffee. This is the light agave. And also, y'all, I got this kind of smaller. The packaging is smaller than I thought it would be. This is some orchid mix for my plants. I'm going to repot possibly 3 of my plants. So it looks like this. And I probably mix this. I plan to mix this with some soil that I already have. I'm not sure if they have enough perlite in it for my liking. I might have to still buy some more perlite. It's the little, if you don't know what it is, it's the little white specks in there. I think I will purchase some more perlite. Because you want most plants You want them to drain very well. So that's what this is for, to help them drain. Okay, y'all, they have this individual box. Not sure what is in here. Kind of forgot. Oh, am I opening it upside down? I'm not sure. Guess it doesn't matter. Oh, okay. I totally forgot about these. Still probably don't know what that is, do you? These are hangers. These are more hangers. And the hook part is right here. That you have to screw this into the hanger. Let me take one of those. It looks like this. And then you take one of the hooks and then you screw it into here like this. If you have not yet ever purchased any of these type of hangers, that's how you do it. And you use these clips and you just clip your clothes on there. I mainly got these for my skirts. Skirts mainly. That's what I usually use. That's what I use these type hangers for, skirts. And you can use it for pants, but I usually just put my skirts on this type of hanger. It is, let's see how many in here. So this is 5. So it's 10 hangers. And that is it. That concludes my Amazon unboxing haul. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I hope you're having a good time or had a good time for, you know, whether you cooked out or went to a parade or you traveled or went on a vacation. I just hope you enjoyed your 4th of July weekend. I hope you enjoyed the weekend because today is Thursday. So, yeah. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Thank you so much for everything that you do. And take care until next time. Bye now.